Are you looking for the best cant hooks and peaveys? In this video, we will break down the top 5 cant hooks and peaveys on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. LogOX Log Huller and Cant Hook. The LogOX Huller is a multifunctional woodworking tool. As a huller, it facilitates lifting and loading logs onto a splitter. It comes with a compact design, which helps with portability if you have to do some walking into the woods. Compared to other cant hook models in the market, it stands out more with its multifunctional features. The huller feature helps with lifting, as the hook feature enables rolling. This flexibility was among the many things missing on my disastrous first cant hook. The LogOX weighs 12.0 pounds, but its diameter is smaller than many cant hooks, making it easy to hold and use. The machine measures 28 inches when disassembled. The hook is made from hollow frame steel, complete with powder coating for more strength and durability. Also, the sharp steel hook makes for an aggressive bite and a steady grip, just as anyone would want. The LogOX cant hook is a heavy-duty lever, but still light enough. It works well, but not necessarily effortlessly. With a bit of human power, one can roll a 1,000 pounds log with this tool. At number 2. Timber 4FT Long Peavey. This Timber Peavey is another good cant hooks in our list. This tool is very simple in design, having a long hardwood handle with a steel hook. It is lighter in weight. The wooden handle keeps hands warmer at the cold winter days, relative to metal-made handles, which is a plus point for working in winter days. This tool is good enough to roll small woods. But if you are planning to work with large logs, this Peavey is not recommended. Many bad reports about its low-quality hook have been found. The grip on the handle is not good enough. At number 3. Woodchuck Dual Peavey and Cant Hook. The Woodchuck WCT04 Dual Peavey and Cant Hook is an all-in-one tool because it is both a peavey and a cant hook. The tool has a rubber grip, so your hands are unlikely to slip off when you pull on the tool. It is 47 inches long, which is a bit on the short side, but it is not a deal breaker. The spike will allow you to pry between logs and other objects, and the shoe of the cant hook will optimize your bite on the logs. The pole is made of aluminum, so it will not bend when you move or lift logs. The hook is divided into 2 sizes. This could potentially make the process of biting logs time-consuming. At number 4. LogRite 60 Aluminum Handle Cant Hook. This LogRite cant hook is another real back saver for you while working at your job site or wherever you need to turn and move the logs. It's 60 inches long, and the handle diameter is 1.75 inch. The handle is made from high-end aluminum. You can efficiently deal with about 25 or above log that has a diameter of 28 to 30 inches or even more. It's also made in the USA, so no doubt about the authenticity of this hook. No matter if you are a hobbyist woodworker or professional, this cant hook is right on the money to make everyone happy. If you want to avoid back injury, then this cant hook is one of the best bangs for the buck, no doubt. At number 5. Felled 48 inches Steel Timberjack. At first glance, the felled 48-inch steel Timberjack appears to be decent and efficient, yet there is much to be revealed. The pole tubing is very thin, so the tool will bend as soon as you use it for the first time. The shoe is sharp, but the hook is rather small, so it doesn't allow you to handle large logs. Not only does the rubber grip slip off easily, but it is also not very long. The short rubber grip means that you only have enough room to place one hand, whereas using this tool requires both hands. If you're considering purchasing this tool, be prepared to make several adjustments to get it in good working condition.